Finding the perfect toothbrush can make a huge difference in your daily routine. In this video, we'll explore the best toothbrushes to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Our channel brings you quality product reviews every day to help you make the best choices. Stick around to find the right one for you. Number 1. Philips Sonicare Protective Clean Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Protective Clean 6100 combines unbeatable performance with cutting-edge features like its 3 intensity settings and 3 cleaning modes, clean, white, and gum care, to tackle sticky dental plaque. Its pressure sensor technology protects your teeth and gums from excessive brushing by pulsating when you press too hard. Plus, the brush automatically syncs with each smart brush head and lets you know when to replace it. During testing, we especially loved the quick setup and how easy it is to maneuver around the teeth and gums. The sleek design and travel case means it's convenient for home and great for traveling. This model also boasts a 2-minute timer to help you brush the dentist recommended amount of time. Though the manufacturer advertises a 2-week battery life, ours is still at full charge after using it daily for 1 month. Number 2. IO Series 5. Like the Genius X Limited, the Oral-B IO Series 5 uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your smartphone for personalized brushing feedback. The small round brush head reaches tight areas that larger heads struggle with, and the 5-mode options, Daily Clean, Intense, Whitening, Sensitive, and Super Sensitive, offer a custom brushing experience based on your sensitivity level, gum health, and cleaning preferences. We love seeing Oral-B's helpful tips through the app, from showing our brushing behavior to personalized feedback on areas we may have missed. During testing, we were blown away by how polished our teeth felt after regular use. We also appreciate the charging stand that keeps the brush upright when not in use. Dr. Eastwood recommends Oral-B IO models for improving brushing techniques and preventing gum damage. Number 3. Philips Sonicare 4100 Electric Toothbrush. Despite the lower price point of the Sonicare 4100 series, it's loaded with features typically seen in higher-end models. From a protective pressure sensor to its quad timer that ensures you brush each section of your mouth evenly, this brush has everything you need without the tech bells and whistles. Ours came charged and ready to use right out of the box with a battery that lasts 3 weeks or longer on a single charge. The handle vibrates when brushing too hard, and a light indicates when it's time to replace the brush head. Though it lacks Bluetooth capabilities, the features and affordability outweigh the need for app connectivity. While the 4100 series delivers a satisfying clean, it may not satisfy tech-savvy users who crave advanced features like real-time feedback on brushing habits. The toothbrush also lacks different cleaning modes and a travel case. Number 4. The Oral-B IO Series 9 is a premium electric toothbrush with upgraded features and a sleek design. It's one of Oral-B's newer models offering 3D tracking using artificial intelligence to monitor and guide your brushing habits. While it offers some of the same features as the IO Series 5, it has 2 additional cleaning modes, gum care and tongue cleaning, to enhance its functionality. Other upgraded features include a color display screen on the handle, an updated magnetic charging dock to keep the brush in place, and faster charging. The app is also more user-friendly and provides more detailed feedback on your brushing habits. As you work through the 16-zone map of your mouth, the AI technology detects areas that need extra attention to help you achieve a healthy smile. Number 5. Voom Sonic Pro 5 Electronic Toothbrush. The performance and features of the Voom Sonic Pro 5 rechargeable electronic toothbrush rival that of many higher-end toothbrushes, but it's much easier on the wallet. It has 5 cleaning modes, an impressive 8-week battery life, and a 2-minute timer that pulses every 30 seconds so you know when to switch quadrants while brushing. We were shocked by the power behind the brush compared to more expensive Oral-B models. It's also waterproof, compact, and comes in 5 color options. The soft bristles are gentle on gums, and the lighted handle makes it easy to see which mode you're in. A 4-pack of replacement brush heads costs around $10, making this a cost-effective option that doesn't compromise our favorite features.